bit. Going like this.
You were giving your friend such a hard time the first day.
Oh, I definitely was. Bloodied up. Here, Chad's taking over the directing.
How the tone got different, watch.
He's seen me progress so much, it's crazy. He always brings it up every time we're hanging out. It's my clothes. No, I got clothes. I got my story. Put the thing up. Let's move these. Crash really fucked it up, so now everything's all super fucked. What do you guys think? Yeah. So he goes like, tell me why. All the scenes that we're shooting with like people in the movie. Put the lens under, you feel me? There you go, like that. This is Lamont. I actually met him on Instagram. Out of focus too, so you won't really see, like, so don't worry too much about crazy details. What is going on, Betcha? No.
Don't worry, I never run the method that I did.
Yeah, I'm proud of him.
Proud of him, he's spectacular.
But I feel like Rambo, bro. Hey, Loki, yeah. The only scene that I know that we have for sure next is scene 4, which is the jungle scene. Nothing too much, you know? And I think we're gonna be shooting this way, or shooting this way, so we don't have to worry about all that. We'll take Moosey?
Take one.
Head trauma, massive blood loss, multiple internal injuries, multiple fractures, pulse 90 and drop.
To be honest, bro.
So we got the camera right here, the little camera rig.
Yep, I got the other one.
Take a fucking going from there to here.
Damn, bro. Starring and directing. Fucking Mel Gibson in this bitch.
Was that dramatic for the camera? Or
No, that was me. Fucking dying. He like the cootie. He's the cootie of the, you know, the documentary right now. People going definitely regret it, man. And in a couple of years, people gonna be like, damn, they didn't even accept Yash. Like when Kanye West was playing All Falls Down for everybody, and nobody gave a shit. That's exactly how it's gonna be.